So now there is a chance that your rank list would be published first before your counseling registration process is completed. Now let me tell you how it can be done and how it is possible. Hello everyone, you're watching Nonstop AJ. I hope all the students who had given up their entrance exam for courses like BBA, BCA, BCom, BJMC, they have already completed up their registration process for counseling and are not waiting for the last moment to complete up their registration process. So in my previous videos, I had already mentioned that rank will be declared only after 5th of October, and so you should not wait for rank to get published. Rather than that, you should just complete up your counseling registration process so that there would be a chance for you to get admission in Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. So those students who have been listening to my videos, they are already aware that counseling registration process will be completed first and then your rank list will be declared. So I think they have already completed up their counseling registration process and are not facing any issue in that. And if you are facing, you can comment down in the comment section or you can DM me on Instagram. My username is aparna.jha23. And for those students who have been listening to other YouTubers or who have been listening to different people, getting suggestion from them that your counseling process registration will be done only after your rank list is published. Actually, there are much confusion in the student that 1000 rupees which will be paid by them for the counseling registration process is non-refundable, and also in the GGSIPU notice it has been written that there will be some minimum score for the qualification, and that according to that minimum score they will be given rank. So a confusion was created in the mind of student that if they'll pay that 1000 rupees which is non-refundable, and if by chance they won't get any rank, so what will happen? Will that be refunded or will that be wasted? So many questions were arising in the student mind. So all I want to say that don't take risk for that 1000 rupees. If you want to take admission in GGSIPU, if that is your destination, just go and complete up your registration process so that at least you could go and participate of the counseling process, and at last you would get a chance to take admission there. So that is my suggestion, that at least complete up your registration process by today. Don't wait for the last moment, last minute, so that your payment might get stuck in between or the process would remain incomplete because many students would be trying up at the last moment. So it's my suggestion that complete your registration process by today morning or by today afternoon. Don't wait for the evening, don't wait for the last moment. So now there is a chance that your rank list would be published first before your counseling registration process is completed. Now let me tell you how it can be done and how it is possible. So there are many students who have applied for the GGSIPU University and who have already given up their entrance examination, but they were waiting for their rank list to be declared first, and then they had decided that they will go off for the counseling registration process. So now in this case, when GGSIPU would not have enough number of candidates for their counseling registration process, they will surely extend up the date for the registration process. So maybe the rank list would be declared after 5th and your counseling registration date would also be extended. So in this way, maybe your rank list would be declared first before the counseling registration process is completed, because many students have that question that if their 1000 rupees will go, if they will pay that 1000 rupees which is non-refundable, and if they'll not get any rank, so what will happen to that? But yes, if you look at the previous year, I mean the last year rank list, then there those students who had scored even in the minus, they had been given a rank. So there is no idea what Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University administration will do. So it is all upon them. So you should not try risk upon your side, and you should just be on the safe side. So all I want to say, just complete your registration process, and if you are facing up any queries, just DM me on Instagram or write in the comment section and I'll help you out. And yes, I want to tell this registration process for counseling is only for the 5 courses, which is BCA, BCom, BBA, BJMC honors. And if those students who have a confusion that their courses registration process is not being done, or they are trying their hand at it but it is not showing anything, the link are not getting open, so for them I would like to say, just wait for your course counseling notice which will be published on GGSIPU site. Don't just go on just whatever confusion is created by other people that you should register yourself, all the student. It is just for those 5 courses, and rest courses, when the notice will come, then you go for the registration process, and not from now. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. And so here I am ending up this video. All the doubts are to be mentioned in the comment section. Thank you for watching.